Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to uninstall a program in Windows 10. In this video, I will be uninstalling the AVG Secure Browser, but whatever program you are going to uninstall, it will be the exact same process. So let's go ahead and get started. So to uninstall a program, we need to go to our settings. Alternatively, you could just go to apps and features, which is we're going to make our way to, but I'm going to start from scratch by going to settings, then apps. And then I'm going to select apps and features again on the left bar over here, even though that's the default. But just in case it's not for you, make sure you click apps and features. Now on this screen, we need to go find the program we want to uninstall. Again, I'm going to uninstall AVG Secure Browser. So I'm going to scroll down until I find AVG Secure Browser, which is right here. I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to select uninstall. And it's going to ask me to confirm. I'm going to select uninstall. The pop-up pops up. I'm going to say yes. I do want to uninstall. And then the uninstall option will appear. And yes, I'm going to uninstall all my data. Depending on what program you're uninstalling, this is going to be different. But the same process to get here is really all you need to do. So I'm selecting uninstall. It's going to slowly uninstall. As you can see already, the desktop icon's already gone. And the uninstall is now complete. And could you tell me why I'm uninstalled? I'm going to say no. So I'm just going to click on the box. We're done. Good to go. And that is how you uninstall a program or app in Windows 10. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in future quick videos.